Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free, mainly beauty. And I did get a haircut, if you didn't know. If you only watch my subscription box unboxings, and I have my natural haircut. I did get this a couple days ago, and I think actually a week ago, one of my daughters has drawn all over it. It opens up like a flower. I can't get the colorings, and unfortunately, sorry. I did film me picking my items as well as spoilers, so I do pay for this with my own money. I know people who got it sent in PR or do partnerships got theirs like weeks ago, but I pay for this with my own money. Okay, so, and I did get a couple add-ons. Okay, enough of the blabbering. So I don't remember what customizations everything was, so if you want to look back at my customization video, if you want to look back at my spoilers video as well as my choosing my options, I'll link that, I'll put that up here somewhere. So I did choose this little pan. I need to clean it because I don't know what is on here, but I got this cute 8-inch. It's from Short Stories. It's like a little 8-inch pan. I think it's stainless steel. I have all the details again in my spoilers video. That would be good for just small stuff, not like, I don't want this big pan and it looks like it'd be easy to clean. I think it's non-stick, all the things. So you can put a little whatever spoon there. So hang it, we don't do that, but you can. I chose the Seshu, I think that's how you pronounce it, Peel Off Lip Liner in Stay In. And I have the shade Mauve and Pinked, 2 and 3. So it was a little duo. I have not tried this. This is from Desi Skin. It's like texture. It feels, I don't know how to describe it. It's like a rough, like kind of canvasy material. But this is from Desi Perkins. This is the Mask On Overnight Moisture Mask. I haven't even opened this. I chose this. This is, ooh. Oh, it has a pump. So it's like a sleepy, like a mask that you sleep with. So I'm excited to try that because my skin has been very dry. And then this one, I remember I didn't really have, there wasn't anything I was super intrigued to try. This is from Living Proof. This is a clarifying detox shampoo. Deeply cleanses and removes product buildup. I love the color. I know that's random, but who cares? I have dandruff / kind of like sensitive scalp issues. So I prefer to use a clarifying shampoo like once or twice a week. AKA, I only wash my hair like once or twice a week. I've kind of trained it where it doesn't get super oily. But I'm intrigued to try this. I hope it is good because some of them say they are clarifying and then they don't do anything. So, and I hope also it's not super drying. So anyway, so that, and then, oh, this did come in as a little app. This came for free. I'm gonna give this to my husband. I don't really like aerosols because they're impossible to recycle. But I thought for like the gym when he works out at work, this would be kind of cool. I think it was like a Dove soap bar. It's either 1 or 2. I believe it was last season. And I do have a link down below if you want to sign up for FabFitFun. I think it gives me a little bit of money off and money off for you on your first box. I am an annual member. So if you're annual or seasonal, you get to select all your items. It's just annual members get to choose first, and then we're supposed to get some discounts. I don't know. Anyway. So this is the Dove Advanced Care Dry Spray, Cool Essentials. And this Cool Essentials has like a little cucumber, probably kind of, useful for him for work. And then I love this bag. I don't know, it is small, but it's little things of me. This is from Crystal Haze, these cute hoop earrings that have like fake diamonds in them. I like gold jewelry. I'm wearing gold earrings right now. But yeah, I thought these were kind of cute. And they seem like they really click, so they don't like, they're not the, okay, so I have the worst dexterity, but they're not gonna like fall off your ear. I have had that happen with hoops. Okay, there we go, you can hear it click. And then, I don't know if this is a full size, I guess so. This is from Milk Makeup. This is their foundation, this is their bronzer stick, matte bronzer stick in the shade Baked. I didn't like that they didn't come with multiple shades, like multiple shade options. But it's a nice bronzer, and it's just so small though. I'm like, this looks like a mini, but I think it actually is a full size. I chose the Tula Skincare. This has like a soft matte kind of texture. Bedtime Bright Vita Charge Overnight Brightening Treatment. I don't really need, I have some acne scars, but that doesn't really, I don't know, bother me. I do love their packaging, it's kind of fun. Oh, it's one of those, I think like you press it down. Okay, so 5 essential vitamins and minerals allows your skin to recharge while you sleep for glowing skin by morning. Okay, I like that. It has niacinamide, vitamin C, lactic acid, helps with dark spots. A lot of stuff says that, but I don't know. It actually works. But I do like some stuff from Tula. And then we'll talk about add-ons. So I chose the Aveda Firm Hold Hairspray, but it's not like an aerosol, it's a sprayer. So I have not used that yet, and it was a good deal. And then I got the About Face Liquid Eye Paint. It's one of their matte ones in the shade Dionysus. Again, soft matte. These are really good if you have issues with your eyeshadow creasing, especially with cream shadows like me. This is really nice. Even as like a base, I haven't tried them. I don't really do a lot of like eyeliner, especially liquid liner. I like using eyeshadow. But yeah, this is also a really good deal. And then last but not least, which I'm not really impressed by this spoiler alert, this is from Fleet. I was really excited to try this. I had good reviews, but so I don't like high-end eyeliners. They just never really worked compared to like LA Girl, Moira. And I actually have one from Melt, which is not like the cheapest, but I did get it in a mystery box, which I also will link that video as well. This is from Fleet. It's FLYT.70. And it's in the shade Mad World, but it's just, it does not last in the waterline at all. I think it has, I don't even know what shade this is. It's kind of weird. I don't know. But I don't know if you can see, it has this like almost like glitter particles, but it didn't really last in the waterline. So I used it to Tightline yesterday, and I'm like, if it's not gonna last, like I don't care. I don't put eyeliner like right here, like an eyeliner pencil on my upper lash line. Like I just like using eyeshadow as a wing or liquid, or I have one gel liner. So I wouldn't buy this, but I am excited for summer. That's gonna be a little bit, but I do subscription boxings with Ipsy. Box by Ipsy, I get it in PR, as well as I pay for it myself, and I always use spoilers on FabFitFun, Ipsy, and then sometimes other subscription box unboxings. I do makeup reviews. So on here, you can see my daily shorts, TikToks, and reels of my Get Ready With Me. So this will be up soon. I do that every day. And sometimes I post other videos that are, again, beauty related. So skincare, hair care sometimes. So yeah, if that sounds interesting to you, I would click subscribe. I always end my videos with stay safe, healthy, and always do something that makes you happy. My form of self-care is through beauty. What is your form of self-care? Because it's always important to take care of you. You can't take care of others, so let's just take care of yourself. And I hope to see you in my next video.